Hey everyone, it's Enrich Lagay Jr. Today we're diving into the world of ship's navigation with the magnetic compass. First, compass bowl. The topmost part of the compass containing the compass card, easy circle, and lover's line. Second, Flinders bar. Flinders bar, a vertical bar located above the for an EFTB magnetic tray. Third, for an EFTB magnetic tray. For an magnetic tray, a horizontal tray used to adjust the compass alignment. Fourth, healing magnet tube. Healing magnet tube, a vertical tube containing a magnet used to compensate for the ship's tilt. Fifth, mirrors or reflections arrangement. Mirrors or reflections arrangement, a systems of mirrors used to reflect the compass card's readings to a viewer. And six kani outward ship's magnetic tray. Outward ship's magnetic tray, say a horizontal tray used to adjust the compass alignment. 7 binnacle stand. Binnacle stand, the base of the compass providing support and stability. 8 soft iron sphere. Soft iron sphere, a sphere made of soft iron used to reduce the influence of magnetic fields on the compass. Number 9, base. Base, the bottommost part of the compass providing a solid foundation. Number 10, peep hole going to the ship's bridge. Peep hole going to the ship's bridge, a small hole that allows the compass readings to be viewed from the ship's bridge. Key knowledge, mga key knowledge niya. Magnetic compass, a navigational instrument that use the Earth's magnetic field to determine direction. Compass card, a circle disc within the compass ball marked with degrees or points of the compass. Easy circle, a circle on the compass card used to indicate the azimuth horizontal angle of an object. Lover's line, a vertical line on the compass card indicating the ship's heading. Healing error, an error in compass reading caused by the ship's tilt. Soft iron, a type of iron that is easily magnetized and demagnetized. Binnacle, a stand or housing for a compass. Peephole, a small hole that allows a view of something. Mga tips. The magnetic compass is a crucial navigational instrument as it allows sailors to determine their direction and course. Understanding the different parts of the compass and their functions is essential for proper operation and maintenance. The compass should be calibrated and adjusted regularly to ensure accurate readings. Marto sir, thank you. Have a good day.